Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today we are going to make sweet and sour apricot chicken. It is quick, it's easy, it's good for a night when you don't have a lot of time. It is going to take maybe a half an hour. If you already have rice, it's easier. Still about a half an hour, but the rice will take maybe longer to prep because you gotta, rinse it and all that. So you can use rice from carryout that you had the night before, whatever, but this is the chicken recipe that's really good. I guess you could put it over noodles, but I like rice. So let's start with the ingredients. We have 2 chicken breasts, just chopped up into bite-sized pieces. I have garlic, fresh, grated. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have a little more than a half cup of pineapple juice. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of that. I have soy sauce. I have rice vinegar, green peppers, red onions, and then I have pineapple. You can use fresh or you can use canned, whichever you have on hand. Works well with both. So we are going to go to making it. It's very easy. What I'm first going to do is put the oil in and heat the pan up. And that's about, a tablespoon of oil. And we're just going to let it heat up so then I can add my chicken. And to my chicken I added salt and pepper. My oil is hot enough. I'm going to add in my chicken. I'm going to try and separate it to get some good color on it. And it's a really budget-friendly recipe. Now I'm going to add my onions. And that's about half a cup. And my green peppers. I'm going to let it all cook. I'm going to add my ginger so I can get the flavor in there. And my garlic. And I'm going to let that cook till my onions start to soften. And then I'll add the rest of the stuff. Oh, this smells so good. How bright does that look? Now, you can see I have to deglaze my pan, so I'm going to take a little of the pineapple juice and just scrape the yummies off. Notice I didn't use it all. All right. Now what I'm going to do is put the apricot jam. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3, of the vinegar. It's rice wine vinegar. It's a little lighter. If you don't have rice wine vinegar and you want to use something else, go ahead, but use less. And I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of soy. There we go. And what I want to do is melt all that jam. There you go. Oh, I'm telling you, that smells so good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it finish cooking. I'm going to let it reduce. I'm going to let it reduce and get a little bit thicker by melting some of that jam. There we go. Oh, that looks so good. I'm going to bring to a boil, reduce to simmer for about 5 minutes once it goes to simmer, just to thicken everything up. Let the ginger and the garlic marry into everything. Just adding in the pineapple. And I love pineapple, so probably a cup would do. but I have more than that in here. And I am going to add, I like a little spice. Told you, I am a spice girl. So I'm gonna add a little red pepper. Look at that. And that's how when you know it's done. You don't want it so thick, but it does make a, goes back slowly. It's done. It was so quick. Oh my gosh. This is a weeknight. Don't go get carry out. It's faster to cook it at home meal. It has, I want to get a little of everything. Oh, there we go. Maybe. I can taste the pineapple and the thickness. You don't even know it's apricot jam. Your kids will have no idea. Now I'm feeling a little of the red pepper, the back heat. It just tastes like sweet and sour sauce. And you want your green peppers to be crispy, not soggy, and your onions to be a little crispy. Have a little crunch to them. These I cooked, I might have put in a little bit earlier than I should have, but it still tastes great. The onions were a little bit more cooked than I wanted. Oh, I can't get enough of this stuff. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen, and remember, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell. You'll be notified of new recipes coming up, and I'm going to try and get some easy ones out for you, okay? This has, you can taste a little bit of the ginger. It is just, you've got to, it's just all the flavors put together. What can I say? See you soon. God bless. Bye.